How to change Snapchat username. Open Snapchat app. Tap Profile icon. Tap Settings icon. Tap Username. Tap Change Username. Please note that your username can only be changed once a year. Once you change your username, no one will be able to claim your old one, including you. Tap Continue. Erase the old username and write a new one. Tap Next. Enter the password for your Snapchat account. Tap Confirm. Check that you have specified the new username correctly. If correct, tap Continue. Congratulations, your Snapchat username has been successfully changed. Like if the video was useful to you.